Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again. Today we will learn how to create mark sheet under Excel program and how to calculate total, maximum, minimum, average, percentage, result, division, etc. So here I have created a sample of mark sheet. Here I need just to calculate total mark, maximum mark, minimum mark, average mark, percentage, result, division. Okay guys, without wasting time, we are going to start the video. First of all, we are going to calculate total marks obtained by Pritam. Now we should add the marks obtained by Pritam here in this cell. Okay, let's see. I am going to use formula here to calculate total. Equal, then sum, then open bracket, after that select the marks obtained by Pritam. So the marks obtained by Pritam are from here to here. I have selected the marks. Now just close the bracket, then press enter. The total has come. Now next we are going to calculate maximum marks obtained by Pritam. To calculate maximum marks, you just type this formula. So formula is equal max, max, then bracket open, then select the marks obtained by Pritam like this, then bracket close, then enter. Next we have minimum mark to calculate. Let's see how to calculate minimum mark using what formula. So formula will be equal, then min, min, then bracket open. Now select the marks obtained by Pritam, then bracket close, then enter. Now we are going to calculate average marks obtained by Pritam. So let's see what's the formula to calculate average mark. So formula will be equal average, then bracket open. Now select the marks once again like this, then close the bracket, then press enter. Next we have percentage. So let's see how to calculate percentage here. To calculate percentage, remember one thing, you need to make this cell in percentage format. So to make this cell in percentage format, you just click home menu, then come here, numbering format, you will get this option. Just click there, then select percentage. Now we are going to use formula. So to calculate percentage, the formula will be equal, then here you should take the total marks obtained by Pritam, then divide it by the subject total mark. So subject total mark will be here 600 because the subjects are 6 here. So subject total will be 600. Now just press enter. Here your percentage has come. Okay, now what we have next? We have result to calculate. Okay, result will be our pass, otherwise fail. So to calculate result, the formula will be equal, sorry, click here, equal, then if, then bracket open. Now select the average mark here, average mark, then greater than equal 30, comma, then inverted comma on, here right pass, inverted comma close, then comma, once again inverted comma on, then we should write here fail, F-A-I-L, fail, then bracket close. So I have written the formula. Now before going to press enter, I am just going to elaborate shortly about this formula to understand it better. So here I have used if formula because our result may be pass or fail. To determine it, you must use if formula. Let's see what is the result. Our result is pass. Now we have division to calculate. Division is also same as result. Let's see how we can calculate division. To calculate division, we should also use if formula. So here formula will be equal, then if, now bracket open, and now select the average marks. Now if our average marks is greater than or equal to 60, greater than equal to 60, comma, then our division will be first. So open here inverted comma, then write here first division, 1 ST, first division. Okay, now close inverted comma. It is our first condition, and for second condition, once again open here if, comma, then if, bracket open, now select once again the average marks, and if our average marks is greater than equal 45, then our division will be second. So inverted comma open and write here second, and the second, then inverted comma close. This is our second condition. Now we have third condition. So for the third condition, once again we should take if condition here. If once again bracket open, now select once again the average marks, then if our average is greater than equal 30, then our division will be third. So to write it, first open the inverted comma and write here third, 3 the third. Now inverted comma close, or if not so, then it will be fail. So to write it, put comma here, then once again inverted comma open and write fail. F-A-I-L, fail. Now inverted comma, close. Now we should close brackets here 3 times because we opened 3 brackets before. So I'm going to close brackets here, 1, 2, 3 brackets. Then you just press enter. Your division will be here. Guys, please check the formula or write down. If you want, you can write down it. I'm going to zoom it. Yeah, write down if you want. So this is the formula to calculate division. Now I am going to press enter. Here the division is first division. I hope you has understood how to calculate total, maximum, minimum, average, percentage, result or division. If you have any doubt, you can ask me at the comment section. We have other students' result to calculate here. At the blanks, but to calculate it we don't need to write the formulas once again. To calculate it, you just click here. Suppose we need to calculate the total marks of Anil, Rita or Karim. So to calculate it, you just click here at the total mark of Pritam, then click here at the corner of the cell, then drag it towards downward like this and lift your hand. Here it has come. So I hope you have understood. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.